Welcome to episode 2597 of the Daily Meditation Podcast. I'm Mary Meckley and welcome back. We are at day 4 of our series. This week, the theme is Boost Your Confidence. And in each episode this week, you've explored different ways to improve the way you feel about yourself, the way you feel about others, and the way you feel about the world around you. In today's episode, you're going to be guided in a meditation to tap into your inner wisdom so that you know when to trust those red flag situations you might find yourself in. So you might find that someone has red flag behavior, or you're involved in a situation where there are a lot of red flags. I want to share with you a little insight from an article called How to Trust People Again by Dr. Ellen Hendrickson. And in this article, she talks about something I thought was very important. She says, stop painting red flags green. She says, many people who grapple with trust also lament that their friend picker or partner picker is broken. They end up aligning themselves with people who betray their trust, and the cycle continues. But along the way, we learn to see red flags in potential friends and partners. She talks about this can happen from small things like self-centeredness or an inability to apologize, to bigger things like violence or emotional abuse. She says that the trick is to stop rationalizing or allowing the red flags and thereby painting them green. So as you settle yourself down and get ready to meditate, I invite you to reflect on a situation or a relationship or something in your life that may represent a red flag. As you make yourself comfortable, just bring to mind how you're feeling, and when you reflect on something that you're not sure of, maybe something you've been tolerating, maybe you feel you must tolerate certain behavior, or maybe you've been acknowledging to yourself that you need to change the situation. Just bring this to mind. Notice how you feel in your body when you reflect on this red flag behavior. Do you rationalize this behavior in any way? Notice your breath. Inhale and exhale gently through your nose. If your friend or someone you know is experiencing similar behavior, what would you tell them? Do you somehow feel as though you deserve or should accept this red flag behavior? You may notice yourself become angry or sad or trapped as you reflect on this. Notice how you're feeling. Honor these feelings. mentally affirm the affirmation for this week. I am limitless. I am limitless. Consider why you might tolerate or rationalize red flag behavior. What are your options to feel better about the situation, or maybe to get out of the situation? Begin to listen to your inner wisdom. Open up to what your body and your thoughts are revealing to you. Trust yourself. Feel confident about what you feel within yourself. Affirm to honor how you feel. As you sit in stillness, reflect on trusting your instincts. The truth is within you. You are so worth slowing down for.